Good morning, everyone. My name is Michelle Van Dyne, and I'm a student at AMU taking Physics 133. We are on Lab 3 and in week 6 of 16, so I'm really excited to get closer to that midway point. So this experiment is titled Conservation of Momentum, and what I'm going to do is demonstrate the transfers of momentum at which they are similar to Newton's cradle system. So to begin, let me go ahead and flip this camera around, see my setup. I have, oops, sorry, it's a little blurry. I have two rulers, they're equal in size and length. And I have 5 marbles, which are right here. There we go. Sorry, I'm on a counter, so I got to get on my tiptoes a little bit. But so what we're going to do for this first part is we're going to line up these 2 rulers and make them parallel to each other, and just wide enough so that we can make a sort of runway for the marbles. From here, I'm going to place 4 marbles. Hopefully they don't roll off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And what I'm going to do is, see how the rulers are moving? I'm going to go ahead and tape these down before I start the experiment to get a more accurate reading. And at this point, I'm going to flick this marble as hard as I can so that it will collide with the rest of these. I'm going to go ahead and observe what happens to the marbles. I'll repeat this several times, first with 4, and then 3, 2, and 1. And at this point, I'll just kind of observe and record what happens to the marbles. And what I failed to tell you was this experiment has 2 parts. So that was the first part. The second part is very similar to the first. Instead of lining up several marbles in the middle, I'm going to place 1 marble at one end and then another marble at the other. Oop, can't see. There we go. And I'll take these out of here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one end, choose 1 marble, and I'm going to flick it as hard as I can so that it will collide with this marble. And I will also repeat this experiment several times using different speeds. And what we're going to see here is a sort of elastic collision. And even though a true elastic collision cannot occur because thermal energy is lost, by using these 2 hard objects, we can kind of mimic what that would look like. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again for the next lab.